Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. EPL activity practical number 3. The usage of scissor, the handling of scissor and cutting. This makes a child happy. When he cuts something, he uses his motor muscles for the particular activity. The directors show child how to handle a scissor. With the help of thumb and two finger, he makes a grape and try to cut. It's better to let child keep the paper in his hands, but if it is the first time, to make it more grippy, to make him more happy, let him do the cutting. Thank you so much.